it doesn't matter because it's just.
Okay, I record it. I will share it with you after uploading it on YouTube.
Mhm.
Okay, so I will add it in the sheet. Okay, so what we have to do now is like we first of all create one file. We call it Rivian. Okay, like a part one. .py. Okay, first we discuss about data types. How many types of data we have in Python? We have numbers and text, right? Can you tell me how many types of data we have in Python?
I don't know, to be honest.
Okay, you know about integers,
No. Teachers,
strings.
I studied it, but no, I
Okay,
forgot.
like Boolean.
No.
Okay, it's same thing like integers, like x is equals to 1. So I'm assigning a integer to x.
Deger. Okay. Can you spell
In
it, please? Deger?
integer.
Integer. Ah, integer. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, you know about the hash?
No.
Hash, like this is a comment, right? Whenever you
Mm-hmm.
have to write a comment, you can write hash. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, second thing is float.
Mm. Float.
Something like this, 2.2.
Ah, so it's not like 1, 2, 3. It's 1 point
Yeah,
something. Yes.
yes.
Yeah, I
Now
remember. Now
something
I
like,
remember these. Yeah.
okay. Now string.
Yes, strings like two dots, two apostrophes.
Yes. And then we can write the AJ. And what about like a Boolean, true or false?
Yeah.
These are the four data types we have in Python. Then we have
Mhm.
data structure. Data structure. So first data structure, we can write there L is equals to when you have a list. You know how to write a list?
Yes, like this. One comma
Okay.
something.
You know how to write a dictionary?
No, dictionary, no. When I
Okay,
see
we
it,
write
maybe
dictionary
I
with a
will.
curly bracket. And then we write there, let's say apple, orange, strawberry, 3,000. So in this, what is this? What is this data type?
This number, integer,
Yes. Yes. And what
integer.
about this? Orange.
This is list. No. Oof. This is what did you call it? You didn't write it. Okay.
Strings.
String. Yes, yes,
Did
yes.
you
This
watch
is
the
bowling.
movie called yeah, did you watch the movie Ultron about like age of Avengers in which we have Ultron? Do you watch movies?
No, Avengers. I have not seen it.
Okay, okay. Okay, in that movie he said that there are no strings on me. So this is that string. Okay. Uh now we have like tuple. Tuple is very similar to the list. Tuple. One, two, three. And that's it. We have this data structure.
Mhm.
Okay. So what's the difference between this and this? What do you feel while watching it?
What I see is the one below is variables. It's a function of different variables and their values. So it's a data structure. It's a whole function. Above
You can call
there
it
is just
container.
container below.
Yes.
Above is just random each is separate. They don't interact with each other, I think, unless if you make it a function.
No, 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 no. There's no function actually. This one is a container,
Yes,
and
this one is a container.
we can contain a lot of data types in one container. The way of storing the data in the list is this. The way of storing the data in the dictionary is this. The way of
Mhm,
storing the data in the tuple is this. So the only difference between them is their by syntax is the brackets.
mhm.
Okay. So this is like a simple. This is actually it had the dictionary has a functionality to store the keys and the values. So what is the key and the value between orange and 2000?
What is the key? This two
Yeah.
dots.
Yes. Actually, this is one item, right? So each
Yes.
item has one key and one value for the dictionary.
Key key is also can be called variable, right? Or not?
No, variable
Oh,
is only
there
T
is
here.
D. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. You
Variable
said
is
this is
T, which is storing a dictionary which has three items in it. Number one item, number two item, number three item.
so the difference between a variable, let's say, and a dictionary is that dictionary has different types of coding, like for example, a key and a value,
I think you
not
should
just
say the
a
difference
list.
between dictionary and the list, I think.
Yeah, yeah, yes. A list is just the same. Let's say integers, for example. This is
Yes.
called a
Yeah.
list. A dictionary is just different things, like a key and its value, or integers all together within
I think
this
I
curve.
should also write there. Let's say you can also write this thing. Now how you say it? What is a list and what is a dictionary?
Uh, a list is just different, is just values, bunch of values.
One value, yes.
Yes, and the dictionary is
A
a
pair.
combination, or a pair.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sorry.
pair, combination. Yes, all good. Combination is also a good word. Combination of two things. And
Mm.
uh, okay, 1 to apple, 3 4 5. So in the list, you access the data based on their position.
Mm.
Dictionary, we get data based on key. If you will write apple, it will give you 1000. So actually, when you want to store the data sequentially, 1 2 3, then you can use list. But if you want to store the data at a particular location, then you use dictionary.
Yeah, so the first one, can you repeat the last part? Sorry, what you said?
Yes.
I need to make sure
When
that
you
I know.
want to store data
Mm-hmm.
sequentially, like step by step, so you
Mm-hmm.
use list. But when you
So
have to
one.
store the data at the particular point, like I want to store the data on Apple or Orange, I want to store the data, even I can write here, like I want to store the data on 20.
Mm-hmm.
So if I will write the 20, it will give me that. So dictionaries are something like not fixed. You can map them to the
Mm-hmm.
particular
But
number.
the list
Or
one has to come first, and then two, and then apple, and then three, and then four, and then
yes,
five.
list must start from zero. Let's
Mm.
say if on the first index there is banana, if I have to access the banana, I will write there zero. Like for example, L square bracket zero, it will give me a list. Sorry, in this case like this. But in the dictionary, if I have to access something, I will write there D square bracket and 20. Then I will get the respective value.
Mm.
So we like this
See?
is mapping based and this is sequence based.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The third thing is if else.
Mhm.
If else is used when you have one condition is true, another, let's say we write temperature equals to 29. If temperature is more than 30, print
It's hot.
too much temperature. In case of else, we can print.
You have to write two. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Then you
Mhm.
write a 30.1, it will give you too much
Mhm.
temperature.
Mhm.
It's this kind of operations are done with the
There is also
if
elf,
like
but you don't need to explain it because I know elf. Elf, elf, elf until else.
yes. I'm skipping. Because we're just covering the okay. Then there is a loop. There are two kinds of loop. For loop, when you want to write something repeatedly for I in range 10, and then you can just write there print AJ and then I. So it will print AJ1, AJ2, AJ3, AJ4, like this.
Mhm.
Then there is a while loop also. While loop is something like condition based. So
Uh,
you
it's like
understand
saying
this, right?
yes. And while it's saying is like as long as something is this,
Yes.
then print it.
Yes. We can say x is equals to 100, and then you say while my x is greater than 80, while x greater than 90, print x. And also x equals to x minus 2. So it will do like this. Okay, x is equals to x minus 1. I write to this. So it will print us the number 10, 98, 96, 92. And when the 90 is reached, this condition is false, so it will come out of the loop. This is how while loop work.
Mm.
Okay, this is about the loop. After loop, the next condition, next thing come is called function. Let's say I make a function that give me the information about time. So I write the define, or maybe I make a function that will just say hello to me. I say define greet small bracket. I don't pass any value, and it will just print me hello, and then I write there, let's say name. I pass it name. So in the function, I can call the function. I can simply write the create small bracket. So and then I write the AJ, it will print me hello AJ. If I
Mhm.
write the create small bracket Umair, it will print me hello Umair.
It sounds like it's nice to if you want to register into a website and you're writing your name and it comes out as hello Umair, for example. This
Yeah,
one
you
looks
can
nice.
do many things with the function. This is one
Mm.
example, yes, as you told. There can be more, like you can make one function that can even make a website. Like actually, you make the function because you don't want to write the code again and again. Once you make something, just give it the input. It will do all the other things same, will
Mhm.
and will process your input and will give you output. Okay, let's say I want to make a function that gives me the sum of two numbers. Do you know how to do this?
No. If you show me,
Just try. Like this one. I have made a function here. You also try
yes,
to make a function.
okay,
Right? DEF. Yes.
okay. I
At.
let's say AJ.
Yeah.
AJ is the
It's a function
variable.
name. It's a
Mm.
function name.
Okay, and the variable is name, for example, in the earlier
Yeah, it's not called variable here. It will call here parameter.
parameter. Okay. print how do you, it's okay if I, okay,
Yeah, you can do anything actually.
you need to sleep, let's say, just a second so that I can see it. And then alt, no, how do you write it? Enter, alt, yeah?
You just
How do
shift and
you,
enter. Hold the shift button, press enter. Like this.
okay,
You
okay,
want to write it after this? Like you can write a comma if you want. Tired. Maybe like this. You can call
nothing came up.
AJ, small bracket, and then
But wait, why do I have to write anything more? I thought this was a full,
yeah. Okay. If you want to do it like it should be like a status, and then you can write there if
if, yes.
status equal tired. Then you can write there you need to
You need
sleep.
to, okay, I will continue it.
Yes. Okay. Like this.
Sorry, here,
No problem.
else print, for example, oopsie, you need to study, and then, right? And then what do I write? How do I, let's say, tired, like
No,
this?
no. You should write the function name.
So for example,
In
here,
your case, the function name is AJ instead of tired. Like
so I
here,
write
you should write A.
here. Oh, what happened? Hello? Can I hear you? Can you hear me?
Yes. Okay, no, bro.
Oh,
Bro,
I
you
hear
look
you.
very tired. Is even what happened? Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh, how do I write? How do I write?
Bro, you should write small brackets now. Like after first you write the function name,
Mhm.
which is AJ. Then you write small bracket. Then you pass the value. You can pass the value by writing it as a string.
Mhm. Like this.
Yes.
Uh,
Okay, but if you can write something other than tired, but will work.
let let's say AJ eat. You need to study. Okay, I see.
Because because you have written only two options. If not tired, you need to because of your
Yeah,
friends.
I see. Interesting.
Okay. Now, after the function, we have classes. Like where you have a class, we can write class and then we write apple person. Underscore self, and then we write there self. Okay. Uh, Actually, you should write there. Is it okay if we skip the classes now? Because I don't want to confuse it.
Sure.
Or should I write it? Maybe you can watch it as a. Okay, that's what we have to change. Okay. After this, we have. Okay, I write it first. We have the concept called classes, object-oriented program. where we make a class and we call it cat. And the cat can have name and age. So define, it can have other things also. Init, small bracket, underscore, underscore, init, init, and then we write self, name, and then color. That's all. So it has a function which is having two features. Self dot name is equals to name. Self dot color equals to color. So we can write this C1 equals to cat, and the name is Lily, and the color is black. Okay. So now we have make an object. If I want to make a second object, I would write there C2 is equals to cat. The name of the cat is Meow, and the color is brown or gray. In this way, I can make as many objects as I want. If I want to see like a C2 dot name, it will give me the name of the cat. Meow. This is the introduction of the classes.
Oh, that's chicken. I just send it to somebody.
And you can make many functions inside the classes. For example, if I say define what cat doing, like I make any function like tell status
So,
or anything.
so,
Tell
so class,
underscore state.
so class is multiple functions.
Yes, a group of functions.
Mm. This is what a class is. Okay.
Yeah, yes. We can self dot name as color self dot color. Okay. Now I write there C2 dot tell status. So it will tell us the status of the cat. Meow has a color gray. If I write there C1 dot tell status, it will give me tell us the status of the cat one. Like this.
There's this one control.
Okay, let's scroll down.
Mm.
Okay. Okay, so Ajay. Would you like to take some break, like a 2-3 minutes, to just see things?
No problem. We can take 5 minutes until
Okay, let's meet after on 40 minutes. Like your time will be around 8:40.
6:40, you mean? After 4 minutes, you mean?
Yeah, 4 minutes, yes. 4 minutes.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Ah.
Okay, AJ, like, did you get the chance to watch this?
Just a second, brother.
No problem, no problem. It's okay. I can wait. No problem.
Oh, sorry, I'm back.
No problem at all. Okay. So I was saying did you get the idea of the basic Python? Because we are going to start the libraries.
Yes, yes.
Now we go for the NumPy first. I wish if I continue with the okay, I also open the sheet where we have everything. Okay, so we start with NumPy. So NumPy. Okay, we can simply say import NumPy and as np.
I think pip install first.
It's not installed already. Wait, I just tried. Pip install NumPy on task matplotlib keyboard plotly. Okay, I
He
just installed
did it. Okay.
all of them together.
Every time we study, we have to install it. Does that mean that we have installed it many times?
No, actually, if this is already in your computer, then you don't have to install it. Because every time we are making a new repository, it means a new everything environment. So that's why we have to install it.
Ah, okay.
Normally, you want to install and then keep it. Okay, all is installed. Okay, I just give it. Okay. Now we have this NumPy as an example. So we can write the data. Let's say maybe array ARR equals to np dot array small bracket. Then write there 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then ARR. So it will make an array. Now you can do all of operations of array using num. Let's say I have this array. I want to find a function of like a sign. For example, I write there y is equals to np dot sign small bracket ARR. So I applied one function on the data. So I have this y as data. This is some mathematical function I can apply now. So this is the use of NumPy.
Mm. So R
With
and Y are
NumPy, I can apply an action.
so ARR and Y are two different functions, variables.
On variables. This
Mm.
one we can even call it X. It doesn't matter. The problem is we have made it from array in this way. Just like we used to declare a list, now we are making a list, but we are wrapping it with the array. You understand the term wrapping here?
Yeah, it's like tying it up, tightening it
Yeah,
up.
we have a list here and we have wrapped it with a NumPy array. So eventually we have a NumPy array.
What is array? And the difference between array and a list?
NumPy means numerical Python and array is a numerical list where you can write mathematical things.
Mm. Yeah, I know NumPy is for mathematical occasions. I remember NumPy. It's from the
Yes.
name itself, number.
Yeah. No. Yes. No.
Yes. And you wrote Y, and when you wrote Y, why did it show the arrays, these arrays?
Okay. So because we have written here print y.
Print Y, you mean?
Oh yeah, yeah. Fine. mistakenly clicked on. Because
Mm.
some mathematical function was applied on the list.
On the list, and it's divided.
Yes. And
But
no,
the
it's
list,
a kind of giving us some values based on the function. Let's say we do
uh,
the, you know about log? We take the log
no.
or exponential. These are some functions of mathematics. Let's say we may know the, let's say I have a list. Okay. I make another NumPy array and I call it, let's say, np dot array, small bracket, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Then I write there z is equals to x plus y. Z equals to x plus y. And then I say print small bracket z. So you will have the sum of x and y. Oh, sorry, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. np dot array. Okay, sorry. I will have the list. Because the NumPy array is made with a list, so I just short. So this is how I can get the values. So 1 plus 10 is 11, 2 plus 20 is 22, 3 plus 30 is 33. It makes sense here.
I'm looking at it. Z is
Okay.
basically the combination of both the x and
Yeah,
y.
because we are writing plus in between.
Yeah, so
X
1
plus
plus 10, 2 plus 20, 3 plus 30. So you're just adding it because you said x plus. So each first number of each variable, value of each variable is added into its equated one, the opposite or
yes.
this from y.
Yes.
And that's why you
Yes.
print z, which is basically both, because you already defined it. Yes, I understand. It's easy.
Okay. This is the function of the NumPy.
Mhm.
Okay, the function of the pandas now. Okay, we can write there import pandas as pd. Then you can write there data frame, which is just a variable name, is equals to pd dot data frame. Okay, now I can make a list actually. Uh, I have from the list, I have X and Y. So I can write there, let's say something like T equals to, I'm making a dictionary. And on the first, I can write there, let's say column 1. And the column 1 I write as X. And column 2, I write there Y. You understand what is the value of X and Y?
The value of x and y
Yes.
here is the col one, and y is the value of from the earlier, yes, from the arrays, yes, they are
Yeah.
connected.
Yeah, value of X is 1, 2, 3, 4. Value of Y is this. So I can just pass it the D and I will have the data frame like this.
Hmm. And this is data frame. It creates this
Yeah, this is a
view.
data frame.
It's very similar to a normal file.
Yes, but it has advanced functions. For example, you can just say I need to, in the third column, just find the difference of the column 2 and column 1. So you can write the data frame and then diff equals to data frame square bracket call 1 minus data frame square bracket call 2, and then you can have data frame like this. Did you get it?
Yes. The column
Similarly, you
one,
can find the product, you can find all other things.
but But what is dof? Why? Dof
Oh,
is there.
sorry, I
Yeah, yeah,
wanted to
yeah.
write the difference. Okay, refresh all like
Yeah, yeah.
this.
So you choose basically what it means.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's actually the column name which was. This is actually the working of the basic, like introduction review. Then we have matplotlib. Okay, in the matplotlib, I want to plot this data. So I can let's say right there x is equals to data frame square bracket call 1 and y equals to, or maybe I just write there difference. So I can write there, let's say data equals to, or maybe I can write there import. First I need to import the library, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. So plt dot plot small bracket data frame. Okay, so it's data frame square bracket diff. So it will plot us diff, that column for us.
It's about charts basically, but from
It's
the
about
name, yeah.
charts, yes. Let's say I change it a little bit and I write, let's say here 1 and then I write there 300 and then I write there 35. I write here, let's say 60 and I write here, let's. Okay, I have this data. So I will have a different chart like this because this is the difference of x and y. And x is here 1, 33, 60, 40. Column 2 is this, and their difference is this -9, 30, 30, -36, and -20. That's why it is giving us this kind of chart. If you want to make it beautiful, you can also write like this. Actually, give you the points where you are kind of having the values.
Mhm.
Like on the zero spot, you have -10, then you have negative, like positive 12. This is about the plots. Now cboard, import cboard as SNS, then SNS dot, let's say we call it scatter plot, small bracket. We call it, let's say x is equals to call 1, y is equals to call 2, and data equals to df. So it will make that plot for you like this, a better clean plot as compared to red plot. The last thing is the plotly. Import plotly, and then you can write there plotly, and so on. And let's just keep it till here.
Mhm.
I think I write out for the plot. Okay, I write there import plotly first. Import plotly dot express as px, and then I write it px dot line plot where I have x is equals to x and then y equals to y. Why I'm writing y is equal to y? Because I have the data. I can write y is equals to ti, maybe data frame I'm just showing you the possibilities. Square bracket, need to click it again. Square bracket, and then I write the div. Okay, and it will make that plotly plot for us. Okay, this is a line plot. We can also call a scatter plot. Let's call it scatter, not line. We can also, just like we can see, like we also make a 3D. So this is a scatter kind of plot, like this. You have X on the X-axis and the difference on the Y-axis. That's why it's using. So this is kind of overview and one example of each thing.
Okay, that's really great. I didn't speak a lot about because I want you, because it's recording, so it's better for you to speak more. You speak more, you explain more. It's nice. And I don't have questions. Even if I didn't understand that much, I can just rewatch the video if I didn't pay
Okay,
attention.
okay, sure.
It's really nice. Really nice.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. Okay, brother. I go now. I need some time in uploading, and right after that, I have session, so I quickly do it. Okay, brother. Okay, brother. Goodbye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
That
so
was
much.
really
Take
nice.
care.
And
Thank you
send
so
me
much.
the.
Thank you. Yeah, I will send you the. I will add the link on your sheet.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much,
Okay,
brother.
okay. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.
Bye.